Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Gemini. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can stay tuned for that reading, Gemini. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have King of Air, call. These cards must be read straight, guys. Ace of Water. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your uh, career situation or maybe in your relationship, you need to be really patient. Wait for something today. Maybe do not make any rash choices today. And you need to understand that everything happens for a reason. So in your circumstances, whatever circumstances you see, maybe some difficulties, whatever it may be, it is something helping you moving towards the right path. And you need to understand that you need to uh, what to say, be really honest to whatever you truly feel. So your intuition may tell you certain things today, Gemini. You need to listen to it, maybe in your work circumstances. That will give you clarity, that will give you the guidance you need and clarity you need for yourself. And even in your relationship, you must be really patient, wait, see where things are going, and listen to your intuition, because we cannot trust what we hear, we cannot even trust what we see. But from time to time, when we are making some important decisions, our inner voice tells us what will be the right thing, and that is the intuition working, speaking to us. So we must always listen to it, guys. And today, in your relationship, you need truth. Maybe you want a truth from this person. You are really honest. You are someone who is a very trustworthy, loyal friend, but you expect the same thing from this person. And whatever past or whatever hurt, whatever this person went through or whatever you went through, you don't want all that to affect this present situation. So you just know that you need to carry forward only the lessons, not the hurt and the pain. And maybe today this person is going through a lot, maybe thinking of their past, really worried about what was the reason for this pain they are having today. But if it is your energy or if it is their energy, they need more time to heal and understand. So you are someone waiting for the right time, and maybe your instincts may tell you certain things. Instincts may tell you to rush towards this person, maybe take the next step, maybe move forward. You may want to do it, your intuition may want to do it. But in certain things in this relationship, especially, you need to wait for the right time, think it out clearly, think what this person is thinking or what will be uh, their choice. Because what you have towards them, that is an unconditional love, guys. And you should not what to say, you should not give up that for something so small, maybe something so trivial. You must wait for the right time, because if your love is true, this person will definitely reciprocate that true love. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Fool. So, with this card, it just means that this person, or this may be your energy, you're quite enthusiastic about something. You feel that you can do anything, or anything is possible today, or some changes may happen, something unexpected may come and change the way things are going today. But you need to understand that you should not make an impulsive choice. That is not going to help you. So you need to uh, think clearly and act with clarity based on that thought. So whatever you want, if you want to avoid some difficult situations in this relationship, you must think clearly, then act. So that is the energy with this card, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstances. We picked one card, Magician. So you are feeling really inspired, confident, and maybe the people you work with, they may also share your vision, and you're having a good team working together, and you're moving towards better opportunities, or um, good opportunities are coming towards you guys, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card. So it is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Solar Light. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today, in your circumstances, you are healing from some circumstance you have been through. And healing does not mean that you need to be perfect, but you must be aware of the truth that you are a divine being and you're always connected to the universe or God or that higher spirit, whatever you call it. And that higher spirit or that conscious universe wants always the best for you. And you need to understand that when you know that you have that divine link, that unbreakable bond with that higher power, you will see your circumstance from a higher perspective, and you will not go back to your old patterns, whatever you wanted to move away from, guys. So that higher spirit can guide you where you need to be today. Maybe if you do not know what should be your next decision, maybe you are deciding something and you are not clear about those choices, you just need to meditate, be silent for some time, and you will get that answer you need. And you must always be present, be aware of your actions, be aware of your circumstances. When you do that, you will create your own future, whatever you wish for, and you will move towards your dreams and goals, whatever that may be. And it boosts your self confidence and inner strength to hold on to whatever dreams or goals or uh, whatever we want to do. So, those intentions, positive intentions. So, you will have that courage to hold on to all those positive intentions and your goals or aspirations, whatever it is. And this crystal uh, card is about that, guys. It is about non attachment in any circumstance and seeing your circumstance from a higher perspective. So you will make the right choice without a speck of selfishness, and you are going to make that from a higher ground, feeling really balanced and peaceful at heart. So, when you make such decisions, you will never go wrong. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. So, let's see what is the second card for you all. We will see the second card. So, for those who chose this card, Snow White, purity. So, with this card, it just means that maybe in your circumstances, you have faced a lot. Maybe you have seen so much evil. You have seen people rejecting you or people really envious of you. But whatever bad things you have seen till now, it's not been enough to change you, because you are someone pure hearted, you are a pure soul, uncorrupted. And that is the beauty of your character. And maybe today your that beauty is going to shine. And even when others try to harm you and they are really bitter to you and they consider you as their rival, however they are towards you, you never reciprocate that. You never take revenge on those people. You just see evil, but you do not go for those what to say toxic feelings. You are someone pure hearted and you're going to come out of these tests successfully, and your kindness will be rewarded. There will be trying times you are seeing today, maybe some challenges in your work or even in your relationship, but you are going to win, and you are someone really loving, caring, trustworthy person. And all that evil, whatever you faced, has not touched your heart. And you are a very pure soul. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you are good to everyone, and that goodness is coming back to you multifold, guys. And your kindness will always be rewarded. So you need not feel that you are really kind and compassionate, but people are not like that towards you. They are showing their angry side to you. You need not worry about all that, because with this card I see that your good nature is going to be rewarded today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.